Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my April thank you notes. Aren't they adorable? I'm using the Pool Party, Powder Pink, So Saffron, and then we're going to make this one using the soft sea foam. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the base. The Whisper White is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2 and then scored at 4 1/4. And then a piece of the soft sea foam cardstock. This is cut at 4 by 2 1/2. And then another piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab our stamps. Let me show you what we're going to use. Okay, so for the background, we're going to use the Playful Backgrounds. We're going to use this image right here. And then the other stamp set we're using is Calls for a Celebration, and it's Thank You So Much right there. Okay, and these are both in the annual catalog right now. Okay, so we're going to stamp the thank you with the Memento ink. And then we're going to use the Soft Sea Foam Classic ink to stamp the background. Let me grab that. This is also the grid paper that's available right now. It just became available to all our customers, and also it's been available to demonstrators, but this was the grid paper that was redesigned for our 30th anniversary with Stampin' Up, and it's available now on my online store. The only thing is this grid paper doesn't have the measurements like our regular grid paper, and this will be available for only a limited time. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and stamp the soft sea foam right in the center of the smaller piece of Whisper White. Just like that. And then we're going to take the Thank You So Much. I'm going to ink that up with the Memento ink. Okay, so we're going to position this right in the center of that. So cute. All right, now let's go ahead and add our Whisper White to our soft sea foam. Okay, then one more thing, I did add some clear rhinestones to the little swirls at the thanks with the H little loop-de-loo, and then the much, the end of that. So we're going to add 2 little rhinestones, one on each of the little loops there. Isn't it cute? So cute. All right, so there's the soft sea foam, and then this is the Pool Party, and then this is the So Saffron, and then the Powder Pink. Okay, so all my customers get a thank you note with every single order. So you can place any order on my online store, and I'll have the link down below. And then also I have all the items listed for my thank you notes listed below as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is right down here on the right-hand side. Just click on my face and you can subscribe, and then all you have to do is just click on the bell to get notified. So you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.